Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to recover a deactivated Yahoo account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if your account has been inactive within 30 days or 90 days in Australia and New Zealand, then you can head over to the Yahoo sign-in page and enter your Yahoo email account. From there, if your account has been deactivated, you'll see an option like this, and it will tell you that there is an option to reactivate or recover your account. So, you can actually just follow the instructions on screen to reactivate your account, and you may also be prompted to enter a verification code. Now, if your account's been inactive for over 30 days or over 90 days, then unfortunately, your account may have actually been deleted. But this isn't for certain, and you can just sign up with your old email address on the Yahoo website to check it. And if it says that the email address is available, then it means that your account has been deleted and you'll need to create a new one with a new username or email address. Now, what you can also do is go to the Help Center, and then you can speak to someone who works at Yahoo to see if they can help you recover your account. However, be prepared for the possibility that they will not be able to restore your permanently deleted account. So that's basically how you can recover a deactivated Yahoo account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.